So you've started your home search, you have your strategy in hand, you have your financing in hand, you're ready to start looking at homes. You found a few that you like or you might like. Now what you want to do is set up some touring days with your agent. And my recommendation wouldn't be to do one here, one there, one here, one there. What I would recommend is find a group of houses that you really like, and could be in the same area, could be even be in different areas, and work with your agent to set up a day or a chunk of a day to really go tour those back to back, so you get an idea of comparing them more easily one to one. And while you're there, take notes, whether it's just mental notes or notes on your phone. Really think through how each house is going to fit what you're looking for, and if it's a good fit for your needs and your budget. So when you're going through these houses, tour with a purpose. What you want to do is go through them, look for any different condition notes. This is something where your real estate agent is going to come in very handy, because they're very experienced in looking for these types of things. They look beyond the surface of what most people are going to do. Most people are pretty great at judging the aesthetics of the home, if it's going to be a good fit for them, looking at the layout, things like that. But pick your realtor's brain on the flashing around the chimney, or the trim and potential wood rot areas, or crawl space versus basement, or how the layout of the home works for different people. We had one example recently where there was a family with young kids, and they were looking at a home where the loft had the types of bars where a young kid could easily fit their head through and potentially get stuck. So it's like, hey, look at that. That's something to potentially watch out for here. And they were very grateful for that. So you never know. When you're out buying a house, it's really great to partner with your agent and use them as a resource to help answer any questions you may have. They'll also be able to dive deep into the listings, pull up any public and private remarks on what the sellers of the house have to say about their property and what they've disclosed. So when you tour with a purpose, have a goal in mind, and have a defined strategy with your real estate agent to be sure that you're not going to see homes just to look at homes. You're only looking at homes that you have a chance of purchasing that really have a good fit for you. It's kind of like just a date versus dating to marry. You're looking for the long-term fit with this home. Don't just accept any home. Really go after the ones that are a really good fit for you and ultimately meet your goals.